Hancock here, and welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to use your DermaDisc on your client in treatment. Now remember, this is just like a microdermabrasion treatment, just no suction. We made the disc itself with a bit of a curve, so it's really easy to get around the nooks and crannies on your client's face, around the nose area, down in here between the eyebrows. Okay, so remember to turn your disc on, going clockwise. Okay, I'm not going to do it for the video, but make sure you turn it on. Always hold the skin tight when you do a microdermabrasion treatment. So whether you're doing back and forth motions, or I like to hold it tight this way. I like to do circles on the forehead. Doesn't really matter, there's not a have to. Just find what feels comfortable for you. But always remember to hold that skin tight. You don't need to give any added pressure because with the vibration, there's enough pressure going on there. Around the eye area, real gentle. I like to kind of hold and just go down like this, or you could hold this way. Go back and forth motions. Find what works good for you. Always have to hold at least one end tight. You cannot go, you see what happens when I don't hold it? Got to have that skin tight. Little small areas come up over the top of the lip. This is where you can get in the nose. Real good. Come down on the jawline. The neck, you always want to hold down here by the clavicle and come up this way. Now, if you find it more comfortable, better for you to start at the neck and work your way up, that is perfectly fine. Okay, it's pretty simple. Again, no pressure, slow little movements, and always holding the skin tight. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon in my treatment room.